Welcome. In this video I will show you how to navigate the OSD menu on your Samsung ViewFinity S8. So to open it, you have to reach for the joystick that is located on the back side of your monitor, and you can easily reach it from the bottom side. Once you reach it, just press it once to open the OSD menu itself. Now here you can move the joystick in 4 different directories. If you move it down, you will navigate to power off option. Move it left and you will get to the source selection screen where you can select the source, the input source for your monitor. On the right side we normally have the picture-in-picture mode, but it's a custom key that can be changed later in settings. And to reach the settings, you're gonna have to move the joystick upwards and highlight menu and then press joystick once again, which will redirect you to this selection menu. So on the left side you will have the sidebar on which you can navigate up or down using once again your joystick. So we have picture mode right here, we have eye care, we have picture-in-picture settings, we have the OSD settings, so the settings of this window that you see right here. And then we have the system settings and the support section where we can, for example, reset everything on reset our monitor settings. Now to exit, you have to move your joystick to the left, and that's pretty much how you use the OSD menu on this monitor. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.